Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I just go through this way because I saw a couple and I don't want to disturb them. Yeah, this time I finished at 2 o'clock because we are busy. Also, yeah, we are also preparing for the new menu for tomorrow. And because we are working less hours, yesterday when I received the pay slip, I have less salary, but it's all right. Yeah, I know, at least we have a job, at least we are working, you know. Yeah, those cockatoos very noisy. There is actually a requirement if you are a foreign worker. We must meet that. If you are a temporary resident visa, if you are a temporary visa, yeah, you need to meet the annual salary and the working hours requirements. But all of those was cancelled because of because of the COVID. That is something like the consideration of the Australian government. We are not going home yet. We are going to have a quick look in the town center. Yeah, because I can actually do shortcut here to get to my home, but we are still going to the town center because I want to listen to music. I want to sing along in it, especially this time. Now it's good. I just wanna love to last, to bring us back together. I must forgive you, you must forgive me. If you wanna try to put things back the way we used to be. Okay, we are now here in the town center. Okay, it is now 2:40 and I am now preparing my meal. I still have this leftover from yesterday. What I'm going to do is just reheat this. Not in the microwave because I'm going to add some more vegetable to make it look more, and to make it more frozen. Some of these rocket leaves, and I'm reheating the rice. This is from last night. I put it in the chiller and now it's very cold. Okay, I think it's cooked. Yeah, it is. This is how it is now. Look at this, looks beautiful. Nice.
Hi, Robbie. Hi, Bal. Ngayon lang ah.
Hi, Val. I'm going home and Inigo just started. We are in the locker.
Got a injury on my.
Yo, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just noticed that it's really beautiful, the cloud formation. And at the moment, there are many people in there, many cars in there. Yeah, today is Saturday, so it's again family day. think that guy is staying in there for a while now. Yeah, because this morning I saw there is a light in there. Yeah, it was still dark this morning and I saw it there. The afternoon. Look at that, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Someone left this one. A bonnet. Yeah, look at that. Every day is different. We are now in the Albora Marina and there are so many beautiful big cars in here. We are going home now. Yeah, because I'm feeling cold, uncomfortable to the skin. And let me show you this beautiful motorcycle that they have in here. There's one here. Now at home, it's already 3:15 and I'm preparing my meal. Yeah, this is just water and rice noodles, and I'm cooking the rice, and I'm going to put here some of this frozen already cooked. Oh, I have burger. I actually have this defrosted burger. Should I eat this one? Okay, eat this and that soup. And I'm going to put it here. And this is now boiling. I don't know what else I'm going to put here. Maybe tomato. Don't do this at home because this is not good. You should use a chopping board. And you know, in the kitchen, the guys, they are the chefs. They are seeing me cutting the mushroom like this. Yeah, but it's under my control, so yeah. Something is missing. Fish sauce. Look at this milk. This is a long life milk, and expiration is on January 14, 2021. Look at that, still far away, still long time. And look at this yogurt. I ordered it, but it's still unopened. I don't know how to eat yogurt. Okay, tonight I'm going to eat some of this. But I don't have any flavorings for this. Yeah, I'll just add some sugar later. This one is good only as a soup. Something is missing with the flavor, with the taste. This is the only leftover. Looks very less now. It's actually good, and I'm already full, so yeah. I'm not going to eat this burger. Maybe this one will be tomorrow. Oh, I will be day off tomorrow, and the next yeah, in the coming 2 days I will be day off. We are going to prepare coffee. This is going to be my whoa, this is the port. This is my port coffee. Yeah, because in the morning I had coffee around 4 o'clock this morning, and then I get to work. The waitress, she gave me a coffee, and then at around 11:30 during my break time, I also had a coffee. And now I'm going to make a cup of coffee again. So this is my fourth cup of coffee for the day. This will be the last. Next one will be tomorrow morning. Oh, not this one. I'm going to use the Nescafe 3-in-1. Actually, I'm going to use this. They're Copico. But you know, yeah, I'm feeling that this 3-in-1 coffee is too sweet. Yeah, they are too sweet for me. But you know, when I was in Dubai, this is the only coffee I always drink. 3-in-1 coffee.